Hello, good day, and today we'll discuss and I will discuss the design of integration methodology and the discussion of codes and the demonstration of integration functionality of our system. So let's start. So first, we have a project that calls the system of the security, and then we have another system which is the system of the XR office. And today I will show to you on how to the way it interacts these two systems. First, we are going to execute or run this security system. Now we will run this application. First is we try to log in the account using admin, and then the password is admin. Leave as is, just put their admin and click login button. And now the dashboard of the security system will pop up, and then here's we can here's you can see the add user, then the add security personnel, and then the record of the log in and out of the individuals, and then the logs. So now we will try to click this log button, and then another pop-up window will appear, and then they can write their name under its name. What do we call this? Full name. Student. So the student will now choose which it's either in or out. For now, we will try to in. Then he log in successfully, and the name will automatically added to this dashboard. Again, in the second round, we will type the name, and then he out. Okay, and then automatically recorded. And then the next is the security or the security personnel who in charge of the facility of the guardhouse can send a report to the HR. So I will have this button that they can type, or they can send a report for the unexpected accident, or even an event, or either. So we'll try to create a sample. So we'll have our report regarding the robbery accident, and then we'll have the details. And now we can write the name of the security personnel in charge at the moment. So we'll have Jandu, and then we'll try to submit that report. Yes, okay, and that report will be recorded, and then in and now we will try to execute the another program for the HR office, which is the system, and then we will try to run this program. Okay, here is it. The HR program will accept the API, which is the integration part of this system. So now I will run the server of the what we call this, the security system. So we'll try to generate the XML file for that. We'll try. Yes, it's running, and now we will run again the it's our client server to interact with, and now that boot system is connected through this server, that port 5491, the local port is 5000, and then the security system can send now the data about the report. So we'll type yes and then hit enter, and now the file is now sent to the HR, and the HR now can print the reported documents or the reported data. So we will try to run this print, so we can view the report. So we try yes. Now the here is it, and the report is received by the HR office. So now that is our discussion about the system integration and methodology. Now we will have our what you call this, a discussion about the database, the codes of this system. So we'll try to discuss first about the security, which is the first is the database. Okay, this is the dashboard. This is a login form, which we try to get the username and password as usual, the user type of that and then we verify and then run. If the verifies is correct, and then the dashboard will pop up, and now we can have this dashboard that the dashboard now will display the transaction in this area. Again, dashboard, and then okay, this is the status that can add our name here, and then the table data here, and then this is a query about that table, and then the lag button will pop up if the button is click, and then our report. This is our reports class. Then we have login session, we have log out, we have the log codes that will get the date and time. We'll see that we have in this part to get the in button and the out button. For the integration, we have this code here that inquire, or shall we say that will generate the API, which is the XML file. Here, this is the report, this is the source, and then the source is what we call this here, report XML, and then the destination of that will receive here from this, right? Okay. Now our system will accept that socket and then receive the file, and then parse it so that the file can be read, and then display that here. So that's all for this discussion. Thank you, and see you on the next video.